Good afternoon. So I've got something a little bit different today. We're going to go for a bit of a vlog style video rather than a lesson or a gear review. So hopefully this is just going to be just entertainment, I hope. All done today is just come into the woods and I'm going to go find myself a nice little spot. I'm going to knock up a fire and I'm going to cook some food. And I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. So hopefully this is something that's a little bit cool and inspires you to just get out into the woods and go cook your own lunch. Anyway, let's go find a cool spot. Okay, so this will do me nicely. I've only been walking for about 15 minutes. I don't know if you can see this. There's a track just down there, but generally what I do when I come into woodland is, I'll follow a track, quite a main track, then I'll find a little track that goes off, and then once I get a bit further into the woodland, I'll then start bushwhacking my way in. Got a nice log there, which is going to act as a seat. Okay, I'm just going to clear a bit of ground here, and there's plenty of dead wood laying around. So there should be no reason for chopping down any trees. And it hasn't rained for a while, so the wood's going to be good to go. Anyway, let's get a fire started, shall we? Okay, so the fire is going nicely now. So I've just built it up a little bit, and all I'm going to do now is just let it die down so we've got some nice hot embers to cook on. Otherwise everything's all going to burn and it's still going to be raw on the inside, and we don't want that. my days. Look at these. Woo! Now that is a lunch. But do they taste as good as they look? Look at that. Wow. I swear, like food cooked over an open fire always tastes better. Oh, they've still got a crunch to them. The cheese as well. Ooh, I've even got cheese on the buns. Oh, absolute delight. But I think what adds to it is the ambience. Is the, you know, the being out in the woods, the fact that I've just cooked over an open fire. I mean, look at that. Come on. Huh? It's better than a ball in the bag, isn't it? Anyway, I'm going to enjoy my burgers. When you come out here, don't be a dick. Like, clean the mess up. Alright? If I was to just go right now and leave this here, then you are a dick. So don't be a dick. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're just going to put it back to how it was when I first turned up. If you find any rubbish in your area, doesn't matter if it's yours, take it home with you. Leave no trace. If we go into woodlands and have fires and leave it a mess, they get arsey, and rightfully so. So just pretend you weren't there in the first place. That's the answer to doing things that might be illegal. When you know you're coming out and you're going to have a fire, just bring some water with you. It just makes things so much easier. And that is all there is to it. Where I sat, that's where the fire was, you can't see it. That's how you leave it. Leave no trace. No beer cans, no plastic on the fire, no nothing. Okay, just clean your shit up after you. Don't be a dick. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Let me know what you thought. Thought I'd just try something a bit different, come out here, have a bit of food. And yeah, hopefully you found it a little bit entertaining. I enjoyed it, so I will see you in the next video. Take care. Ta-ra.